Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a case where the plaintiff says she has no income due to disability and considers herself a full-time homemaker. But the court isn't convinced. After learning she left a $70,000 salary job in 2022 and had her disability claim denied, the judge starts to dig deeper. And when her boyfriend tries to chime in, he's swiftly dismissed. With financial accountability on the line, let's see how this story unfolds in court.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Looking to see if you have your client there.
Yes. I should point out to the court, I did discuss this case with the plaintiff and told her that she wanted to swear under oath that she had no income.
That's what my intent is after reading her response.
Yep. She swear that she has no income. You have to have the motion. I should point out to the court, I did discuss this
Hold on. We don't even have Mr. Horness in here yet, okay? Hold on.
Turn your volume.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we're working on volume.
Mr. Volume.
Okay.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you hear me?
So yes, you can hear.
Yes.
We object to him being involved.
Yeah. You get off the screen. You're not part of the case, and you're not an attorney.
Oh, okay.
Am I allowed to have someone with me?
Well, I'm sure somebody's in the house with you, but you're not. No, not as a representative or anything.
That's fine. I'm sorry.
I mean, if you're here, you'd be sitting up at the table by yourself. Somebody might be in the courtroom, but
Okay.
all right. This is Buzzkirk v. Buzzkirk, case 16-9912-DM. Both parties are present. Mr. Buzzkirk has Mr. Krupp present with him. This is Mr. Krupp's motion to compel discovery. There's a hearing coming up. He's asking for certain financial documents in her response. One of the things that Mr. Krupp is clearly asking for is in the last UCSO, there was $0 given to mother for income. And basically it was based on the fact that she was disabled. In her pleadings that she sent in, she says she is not disabled. Is that true? You are not disabled, ma'am?
Correct. I have no disability income and I'm a homemaker.
Well, raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony given this case to be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right.
I do.
Thank you. So you have no disabilities that prevent you from working?
I have health impairments, but I do not get anything from disability.
Well, what do you mean health impairments? What?
I have fusions throughout my back.
Okay, but you are able to work.
I'm not able to work.
Well, then you have to present that stuff to Mr. Krupp.
Would a letter with disability be sufficient?
You're gonna
I'm sorry, I have letters from my doctor that say I'm unable to work. I have a lot of documentation that follows that up. I have the recent letter in the last week from the appeals court that denied my disability request.
That denied your disability request?
Yes, I'm too young.
Mr. Krupp, I assume you want all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I need you to get that to him promptly.
How far does Mr. Krupp need it to go back?
Well, he needs it for now. I mean, it doesn't, we need to know that you are disabled. And
I am not claiming disability, Your Honor.
Well, then.
If that was ever in there, it was a mistake. I am not claiming disability.
Okay, then you will be imputed income.
Okay.
All right, it's just that simple.
You either are
disabled or you will be imputed income. Your claim that you're a homemaker is fine, but you will be imputed as working outside of the home.
I don't know what you mean by imputed. I'm sorry.
It means we're going to assign a certain amount of money that you make each week as a worker. That's fine. Yeah. It probably should have been like that to begin with. I didn't enter the disability into it.
My former attorney brought that up, and I went with her recommendation.
I think we can take this up at trial too, Judge, the amounts.
You what?
I think she was working for Wolverine, so I think we can take up the issue of how much at the evidentiary.
Oh, I mean, I'll have to find imputed income somewhere down the road.
Yeah.
I stopped working at Wolverine in 2018.
Was that your most recent employment?
No,
What was your most recent employment?
Spartan Nash. And I left there in May of 2022.
May of 20, do that. What was your income at that point? How much were you making?
I was making $70,000 a year at Spartan Nash.
All right.
I'd only been there 8 months. And due to back issues, I decided to be a homemaker.
Okay. Mr. Krupp, I think that's the information that you're really seeking.
Yes, that's right, Your
Um,
Otherwise, if you could just swear in that she's had no income since then,
I already swore her in,
good.
and I have no reason to believe she's not telling the truth.
I think that's sufficient, Judge. She'll furnish the disability stuff. We'll take up the income situation.
She's not claiming disability. She's given us her most recent income. I believe she is honest with that. She has chosen to be a homemaker after that, is what she has said.
Yep.
And we'll deal with that. Although you realize the trial is basically it's not child support secondary to this. Okay, we got to find out what the parenting time is going to be so we can plug that in.
Correct, Judge. You're right.
And we'll see what happens with that. Anything else you are seeking? Because I'm not, Mr. Krupp, I'm not going to make her provide all correspondence between the two of them.
I think that disability is sufficient. In fact, she's admitted 70,000 a year is sufficient, and we'll see her under trial on the 18th.
All right, ma'am. Thank you very much. And we'll see you on the 18th. Good luck, everybody. Thank you.
Have a good.
The judge wasn't buying her claims of zero income and disability. After looking at her recent employment and inconsistencies in her story, the court decided to assign her an income based on what she's capable of earning. This ruling underscores that claims made in court have to stand up to scrutiny. What do you think? Was the judge's decision fair, or could there have been more to her story? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.